So today I would like to show you how to install an outlet if you prefer to, how to, on your own. You don't need an electrician to come. I'm not an electrician, but I am in the field and I do other things. Your white wire, your black wire, and then you have the copper wire on the green. Therefore, prior to that, you would like to see if there's power on this, which it is. You see it turns red. Now we'll go to the outlet. We go to the breaker box, turn it off. As we turn it off, then we'll be able to safely be able to install the outlet. Let's go do that. I am in the dark because I turned up the power in the room. Now, none of the wires are turning red. That means the power is off. It means it's able now safely ready to install. So to let you guys know again, silver screws will go with the white wire. The gold screws go with the black wire. And then the green screw goes with the copper wire. Just to let you know. Now it is wrapped around the screw, as well as the copper one. Now what we could do now is put some tape around it. That way it doesn't cause no shock resistance or no sort or anything sort like that case. Moment of truth. There's power there. Stick it in the outlet. You know what I mean? Turn this off. Okay, I'm gonna turn it right back off. I'm gonna have to push this into the box and for safety measures. I like it.